Good afternoon, dear subscriber and guests. Thank you for staying with us. It turns out that cleaning actually reduces stress and helps relieve anxiety, according to researchers and scientists. Researchers surveyed 350 people and found that just 30 minutes of light activity a day noticeably improves mood, reduces anxiety, and gives you an energy boost. Compared to a sedentary lifestyle, the effect is enormous.
And you can feel the difference as early as the very next day.
All it takes is half an hour of non-sitting activities like going for a walk, jumping rope, or simply dusting, doing the dishes, or taking the stairs instead of the elevator. Even a small amount of physical activity kickstarts the nervous system's recovery process. Such simple actions, yet they work wonders for helping the brain reset and regain a sense of control, which is often exactly what's missing when stress hits. Stay with us.